Hey, so I don't know if you were able to get into your Smartmusic or not once I approved your account through my account. But I did that, so hopefully it'll work for you. Um, I'm just going to show you what that looks like and how you get to your band book. So I'm going to log in under I created a student account so you can see what it looks like on your screen once you get through. So you put in your email, put in your password, you log in, and then you'll have something that looks kind of like this. To get to your band book that's digital, all you do is you go to the upper left-hand corner of your screen that says Smart Music, and you click on that. And then it's going to say like assignments due, recently graded assignments. I don't have anything put in there for you guys. So what you're going to do is where it says Find Music, you're going to type in the name of your band book, which is Essential Technique Book 3. Hit enter, and it's going to ask you if you want the band version or the string version. You want to select you want the band version, and it'll load your details, and this is your book. So then what you do is you click open, and then you select the instrument that you want to look at. You're going to click this little circly thing, and then you're going to select the instrument you want. Like in your case, it would be alto sax. And then where it says movement, that's where you're going to click the little down arrow. And this has all the names of all the songs in the band book. So you just scroll on down to this week's exercise, which is number 55, triplet and rest variations. So you select that. So you make sure that you've got your correct instrument set, the particular song in the band book, that you click open. And then you'll see this funky little tape dispenser thing as it loads. Now, what this will do, it's got a bunch of different features, which is kind of cool. You have all of your notes. You have this metronome, so you can set your metronome. You can actually tune your instrument to it if you wanted to do that. You can have it play the sample for you for what it sounds like. If it has an accompaniment track that you can play along with, you can select that. You can make it swing if you want it to. You've got your volume for your metronome, volume for your part. If you choose to play along and record it, it'll actually take what you play into the microphone and determine if you played the right notes and rhythm or not. It actually measures that, so that's kind of cool. But it'll also play the demo for you. So here's the little demo. And it counts you up first. Oh, except when I had it playing, my sound is not turned on. So you want to make sure your sound is enabled. So let's go back and try it again. Take two. Okay, so for me, if I was to play this or listen to this, that seems kind of fast. So for me, I would probably want to slow this down. You can play it faster, as fast or as slow as you want. I'm going to slow down my metronome marking just a bit to see if this helps. So I popped it all the way down to 78. So that's a much more comfortable tempo. I'd recommend, especially when you're first learning this, putting your metronome at like 78, or you could even go slower if that's what you need to do, just so it helps you. When you actually go to play yours, obviously you can take whatever tempo you need to. But it's kind of nice with this little interactive band book that you can do that. and it's got all the different songs in here, which is kind of nice and pretty handy. So if you're not sure what they sound like, it'll play it for you. And you can even change instruments and all that stuff. There's a lot of different features in Smartmusic. So now that you have Smartmusic, there's a bunch of stuff you can do. So hopefully this helps you. Hopefully this video helped you figure out what you need to do and how to get into using your digital version of the band book. So if you have any questions, let me know.